Alrighty, welcome ladies and gentlemen. This is our daily agenda for Wednesday, April 21st. I apologize, I forgot to change out the Tuesday. So, for today, ladies and gentlemen, for your do now, you're going to be working on your digital portfolios. I want to give you that time here in class for you to really start working on those and inputting assignments. By the end of your do now, you need to already have your 30-day writing challenge. You can be ahead, that's fine, but your 30-day writing challenge must be in if you did not follow along with me yesterday. Okay, for the rest of the class, we will be working on digital portfolios and just kind of our last little bits and pieces that you guys need to know. So you guys will be looking at the rubric, how I'm going to be grading you, your schedules, so where you should be on what day, and then we'll do a Jamboard as our exit ticket for today. So for today, we are going to be looking at the rubric on how I'm going to be grading you on these portfolios. You guys have done a lot of beautiful work, and I really want you guys to continue reflecting on all the work. Remember, on Monday, we looked at all the assignments we've done in this class. We looked at what we liked, what we didn't like, what we struggled with, and what we learned academically. Today, I really want you guys to kind of put yourselves in your reflective shoes, put your reflective hat on, and really think about, well, what would I get on this grade just based on the work you have? So if you only have your 30-day writing challenge, grade yourself on that. If you have the 30-day writing challenge and some of your writing stuff in, grade yourself on that. Just start putting those check marks so you have it available to you on your Google Classroom. Just put the check marks on what grade you think you would receive. Okay, we will be using this, especially next week. I want you guys to compare what you think today to what you think next week. Make sure to justify it at the end, why you think you got the score that you did. We're going to talk about it a little bit more, especially towards the end of class, what our exit ticket is. But I want you guys to start being aware of what scores you think you would earn based on the work you've done. So you guys will have time for that in class. Then your digital portfolio schedule. This is the schedule that we're going to be following for this week and in a couple days next week, leading to open house. So these are on what days, what assignments should be done. If you're going ahead, go ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go back. Go ahead. That's fine. It's better that you guys are a little bit more ahead and caught up on it. That is A-okay. We'll have this calendar for the next 2 weeks again. And then reminder, this is our checklist. This is what what assignments need to be inputted. As of today, your 30-day writing challenge should already be put in, and you should be already starting to put in this writing process. All right. So let me show you a little bit of what we'll be doing in class. Once we've gone through these digital portfolio rubrics, I want you guys, now that you've taken that time to grade them, I want you guys to grade mine. So I made a couple of sample slides based on the 30-day writing challenge. So for this 30-day writing challenge, you guys can see a little bit of everything. You can see all the questions are fully answered. There's a hyperlink. I click it, and there's the right assignment. You can see that this image is straight from the journal. It has a prompt, and it has my answer. From this example, would this example earn full points, half points, minimal, or no points? Just based on the rubrics that you guys did. Okay? All right. And then on this 30-day writing challenge, this example, somebody wrote that this assignment or project is about writing. Their biggest obstacle was nothing, and then did not finish the last question. Their link does take you to the 30-day writing challenge, so they have that. But this image is of their TPAC paragraph, not their 30-day writing challenge. So would this example earn full points, half points, minimal, or no points? And we're going to talk about that in class. And then lastly, this 30-day writing challenge example. They did not put a picture. They have a link, but it's not hyperlink like we talked about. And the biggest assignment / project is about, and it's empty. They wrote nothing, and then it's empty again. Would this example earn full points, half points, or minimal to no points? And by minimal, I'm talking just a few points. So that's what we'll be talking about right after the rubric. We will be doing a Jamboard today for our exit ticket. I don't think I need to quite show you guys that. This will be the rubric from which you work off of. So it's super easy, you guys. It's exactly what we've talked about. Is the information complete? Are all 3 steps done? in the descriptive text right next to the assignment, does it have a caption? Is it fully done? Are there hyperlinks? Is the whole assignment complete and ready to be turned in? If I was only to grade you on the 30-day writing challenge, are you ready to turn that in? Just that fine. Grade yourself there. And your overall spelling and grammar. Do you have a lot of spelling issues? You guys have a lot of grammar issues. Reread. I cannot stress this enough, ladies and gentlemen. Reread your work afterwards, okay? You'll catch so many mistakes. All you have to do is these green check marks at the bottom. If you feel like on spelling and grammar you made 5 mistakes, it's okay. Just put your check mark there. You're going to grow from this process, ladies and gentlemen. We'll have one next week on the 27th, and you'll do it again, and I just want to see your growth. All right. And then this is our schedule. Let me move this up for you guys. This is going to be our schedule for the next 2 weeks. So this is our schedule for this week that you can check out. And this is our schedule for next week leading up to open house. I know Friday has an NA there, but that does not mean we just do nothing. Alrighty? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions or just are wondering anything, please let me know. That is up for you guys to be able to use. It's going to be here under Semester 2 Digital Portfolios. All right, guys, if you have any questions or just need more information, reach out to me and we'll get back to you guys. I'll see you guys in class.